What is going on, guys? So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a DIY installation of the CSL Style icon lights for the F80 M3. As you can see here, I went for the lemon yellow color. They did like red, blue. I think they even do an RGB one. But obviously yellow is legal to run on the roads. And that's what the CSL ones are. So that's what I went for. Loads of people seem to be doing this at the moment all over Instagram. So yeah, I thought, why not jump in? The car is a mineral grey car, so I think with the dark car and the yellow lights, it'll look quite cool. So yeah, if you want to see pictures and stuff, drop me a follow on Instagram. It's at RP26. I'll leave it on screen now. But other than that, let's get straight into the video. Okay, so as you can see by the box, I went for the modules as opposed to the boards. So essentially, this is literally just a plug and play kind of mod. What you can get, which is slightly cheaper, you can get just the boards, and then what you have to do is take this off of a car, pry the stock ones off, and then get like heatsink paste and stick these new ones on, which is a bit of a faff. I went for the plug and play whole modules just for the fact that if I want to remove these, I can literally just undo the screws and put the stock ones back in. So yeah, that's that. Quality seems okay. As you can see, there's a cable for this side and there's a cable for that side. It's probably the easiest mod you can do to the car. 3 screws, I think they're Torx screws, but we'll go over to the car now and see what it looks like and get some before and afters. Alright guys, so as soon as you lift the bonnet, you'll notice in the bottom corner, the heatsink that we had earlier, that's obviously the stock one there. And if you look on the right hand side, you'll see the exact same thing just above the headlight. So these things are held in by 3 T20 Torx screws. So it's literally a case of just removing it and screwing the new one in. I've got one of these electric torque removers. If you are going to use that, do it really slowly because you don't want to over tighten them when you're putting them back in. What you want to do next is just unplug the 2 cables. They're literally held in by 2 push tabs on the cable. Literally just push it and pull it out. One thing to note is that when you put the replacement boards in, make sure you put it in really slowly because you don't want to crack the headlight kind of slot. Alright, so at this point you're good to test it. Literally just either unlock the car or go ahead and put the side lights on from inside. And as you can see, it should light up really nice and really crisp. So here you can see a comparison of one side done and one side stock. And yeah, I think it looks really good. It stands out a lot more than the white does, which I think on pictures should come out really nicely. But yeah, here's a quick comparison. I'll let this play and then you literally just want to do the same thing on the other side. I'll probably just include it on the video and just speed it up. Alright guys, so there we have it. That's both of them done. And this is what it looks like. It does feel a bit weird going back to yellow lights. I know back in the day, like everyone was changing from yellow to white LEDs and kind of gone one step back. But I think against the grey, it does look really good. I feel like if you had a white car as well, they could look really nice. But yeah, that's it done. It is a super simple mod to do. I think it costs around like 90 quid for the modules. If you get the boards, it's a lot cheaper. But obviously I went for the actual module so I can replace them back when I want to. But yeah, that's it. If you have any questions, drop them in the comment section below. Follow me on Instagram. I'll leave it on screen now again. And drop me a DM if you have any questions or anything like that. And I'll get back to you as soon as I can. That's been it for this video. If you did enjoy it, be sure to drop a like rating. Subscribe for more mods, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.